हरिः कर्ता।
So now we will look into the mode imputation. So mode imputation. So when to use mode for imputation? Mode means that the most frequent value in the data. So mode can be used for both numerical as well as categorical. So for numerical data, when the data is skewed and a few values has high frequency, then mode will represent the best replacement for NaN value. For categorical, the most frequent values are mode is the best replacement for NaN. Okay, so that's what. So mode is the one which can be used for the both. Now let's take one simple example for the mode. Mode imputation. So df, so this is my data frame, and here you can clearly see none. So in this case, A, B, D, let me cross check. So it will take any of this as a mode because everything has been uh, repeated once only. So nothing has a frequent occurrence. So let's see how it goes. df, and let me fill NA, and it will take two arguments, df, and go for the mode. Mode will have two. Out of that, I am going to take 0th first one, and after that we'll do with the other one, and then in place true value. So df, and here it is, ABADA. So this is called mode imputation. Let me do it again. This time with key 1, the range is done. Okay, yeah, that's it. So this is what is your mode imputation. So with this we have seen a mean, median and mode imputation. So for the different categories, some are used for the numerical, some are used for the categorical, and that too this one will be best fit if there is a mean and a trimmed mean. If there is no skewness, then those will be best fit, and median, if there is some amount of skewness, then median would be the best fit, and then mode is used for the categorical as well as numerical with some amount of skewness.